In half a mile, keep right at the fork to stay on I-70 East.
Hey guys, it's Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K. Welcome to Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm starting my 6th travel nurse contract, and I thought I would show you all my new Hello Landing corporate apartment at Solana at the Crossings. So just have a seat. I'm going to show you everything, and I'm going to tell you again all about Hello Landing for your travel nurse needs. All right, let's go. Okay guys, so before we even get started, let me give a little disclaimer. For those of you who are having a heart attack that I'm showing where I'm currently living. I always keep it safe, guys, and I always show you after I've moved out. Unfortunately, my contract was canceled after only 4 weeks, but I definitely wanted to show you what the apartment looked like in case you are in need of housing in Indianapolis, Indiana. Okay, so my contract was at IU Health West, but this apartment is a great location for IU Health Downtown as well as IU Health Methodist. So my apartment is on the 2nd floor. It's right here, and the parking, if I got home late, it was a little challenging, but there was always spots on either side of the street once I did arrive. So what you're seeing me do now is I'm parking on the opposite side of the street. So you're gonna see some trash out here, but don't be alarmed. We have valet trash pickup, and it was just trash day. So this is what my apartment is looking like. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment, and I generally always get a 2-bedroom through Hello Landing just because my family and my husband visits me quite frequently, so I like to have a lot of space for everybody. But I did a whole review on Hello Landing and how their membership program works. In case you want to hear any of that information, I will leave a link in the description box of that video as well. Make sure you check it out. Now, Hello Landing is a network of furnished apartments for rent across the country. They have over 20,000 apartments within their network. They're all fully furnished apartments. They're in over 375 cities across the United States, and they're constantly adding additional apartments. Now, every apartment is outfitted with stylish furnishing, spaces for work and leisure, and fully equipped kitchens, as you can see here. Now, they give you everything you need to be at home, away from home, cooking meals, as well as plenty of storage space, as you can see here, for any of your groceries and different things that you may need while you're away traveling. Now, your Wi-Fi and all of your utilities will all be connected before you ever arrive to your apartment, and everything you need is included. Even like necessities like toiletries, toilet paper, pots, pans, all of those types of things for your stay. Now, Landing does offer different size apartments, so they have from studio up to 4 bedrooms. And the occupancy rules are that you can have 2 people per bedroom. So for those of you who like to travel in couples or groups, you just have to make sure that each person is listed at the time of your reservation. So that's not a problem. Landing really makes it really easy to find a furnished apartment. You basically just download their app, you go online, and you start searching to find a home. Now, in the other video, I talk about all the details as far as the background checks, deposits, fees, taxes, what you do at checkout. I spill all the tea, all of it. So the thing that I absolutely love about Landing, however, I will share with you, is that they don't require a deposit. Now, they do have a membership fee, an annual membership fee, and once you pay that, you're all good. And you never have to pay a deposit. And I do have a coupon code in the description box that's going to pay for that membership fee for you. So make sure, I can't stress this, guys, that you watch the other video to get all of the tea. I like to do walkthroughs and show you guys each apartment that I stay in, just so you can see the quality of each apartment. Now, they are called corporate/luxury housing. And to me, if you compare it kind of like with Furnish Finders, I prefer Hello Landing because I'm not dealing with one individual who may do some shady things. But I like dealing with Hello Landing because I know there's nothing going on in the background with my deposits, and just, you know how some people are very, very particular about their housing that they're renting to you. With Landing, I never feel like I'm walking on eggshells. I'm able to relax in my apartment and just come home from a long day's work and just be able to chill, relax. Not to mention, I've always had great amenities like a pool and gym. So for me, the first thing I do when I get ready to consider a contract is I look to see if Hello Landing is available in that area. Yeah, that's how serious it is for me. And you guys, just look at this apartment. Absolutely beautiful. I love everything about it, from the beautiful wood floors, all the everything that you need to just get started in your apartment is already provided, from hair dryers to irons to, you know, your apartment being equipped with a washer and dryer, so there's never a need to go to the laundromat and that kind of thing. And this one had a huge bathtub that I absolutely enjoyed. And I love the shelving that was in the back here that I'm showing you now. I was able to just store stuff. Nice walk-in closets, plenty of hangers, and again, extra storage, baskets for your dirty clothes, for your clean clothes, extra blankets to keep you warm in the evening. Now, you guys, I did have a couple things when I came into my apartment. I had a couple lights that were blown out, as well as I had a couple of pans that were kind of rusted. All I had to do was call the Hello Landing manager for my area, and you just call the customer service line. They get you connected, and let me tell you, within a day, all of those things were fixed. So everything is just easy peasy. You can leave the key for them. They can come in, drop off whatever you need dropped off. And oh yeah, the other thing was I needed some extra linen. And I mean, they came, they brought everything, dropped it off while I was at work, and it was just great. And guys, if you move in and you don't like your apartment in the first 7 days, you can move to another Landing apartment, no question asked. Now, you can't beat that. Now, this is my washer and dryer unit. Like, I have my own little laundry room, and they make it nice up above. They have a little area where you can kind of store your laundry detergent, dryer sheets, and all of that kind of stuff. They did provide me with like a little starter pack of laundry detergent. I also got like dish soap, paper towels, regular soap, you know, just those little things that you need to get you started until you can get to Target, Costco's, Walmart, any of that. So this is my second bedroom that I'm showing you now. The other bedroom was the primary bedroom, which had a walk-in bathroom. This bedroom does not have a ensuite as far as the bathroom, but the bathroom is just right next door to it. And again, you get nice, huge dressers, nightstands, everything you need to be able to keep you comfortable. Oh, and also 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 big screen TVs. So there was a big screen in each of the bedrooms, as well as in the front room or the living room. So that's really nice. You can just come in, you can log into the TVs, and you're good to go. Now, as I mentioned earlier, unfortunately my contract was canceled, but I just showed Hello Landing my letter of cancellation and it was not a problem. I only had to give 2 weeks to move out. Okay guys, so far so good. We're starting off with a good start. Y'all don't know how nervous I was about how this apartment was gonna look. I am so happy that it looks exactly how it looks. I'm praying that this is going to be a good assignment, a good, safe place to be. My only concern is the trash outside the door. They do have valet trash, so I'm hoping that it's just there waiting to be picked up today. But other than that, great job, Hello Landing. Hopefully this will be a great experience. If not, I will be calling you to move. But no guys, thanks for joining me for this vlog of my new apartment in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm so excited about the assignment. I start work tomorrow. So my husband and I are going to get my things moved in here and I'm going to try to rest the rest of the day. All right. Be blessed, guys. And remember what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Wheezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys, be blessed.